Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Java JDK, Android Studio, and the Flutter SDK. Install JDK 11, then set Java Home so tools find it. Once done, install Android Studio and during setup include Android SDK, SDK platform tools, and an emulator image. Next, extract Flutter, add the Flutter binary to your path, and open a terminal to run Flutter Doctor. It reports missing components, so you know exactly what to fix before moving to detailed configuration. You now configure the middle steps: SDK paths, licenses, and the emulator. In Android Studio, open SDK Manager, install required API levels and a recommended system image for your emulator. Make sure Android SDK command line tools are installed and set Android Home or Android SDK root environment variables so Flutter can locate them. Run Flutter per cache to download artifacts, then accept Android licenses with Flutter Doctor Android licenses. This ensures your build tools and emulators are aligned and avoids build time surprises later. You finish by creating a new Flutter project in Android Studio and selecting your preferred Android host language. Launch an emulator or connect a real device with USB debugging enabled. Install OEM drivers on Windows as required. Run Flutter Run to build and deploy, and iterate while watching the debug console. If something fails, rerun Flutter Doctor to get actionable hints, verify your path and Android Home settings, and ensure Android SDK versions match what's specified. That single recheck fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.